So freaking proud of myself. Like, did not even think that your girl could do this. Welcome back to my channel on Simone. It's your girl D Simone, and today we are going to focus on this. I try to make it cute, but it's really not. It's unruly. I took out my passion twist and I'm gonna wash my hair and either attempt to put passion twists back in because I really like them, or attempt to do box braids. But nevertheless, I will be taking you on my journey with me. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and put conditioner in it because again I have braids, so the steam from the shower will soften it up, and then I can like comb the buildup at the roots out and then get out and wash, rinse, repeat, and moisturize it back up, and then I will begin parting. So stay tuned and I will see you in a... Okay guys, I'm back and we are in the kitchen. So I've taken my shower and I've put conditioner in my hair. I used the Cantu conditioner and I'm letting it sit. So yeah, about to detangle it with my pick comb here, and then I'm going to use my products, my Cream of Nature shampoo, and then the matching treatment conditioner, because I bleached my hair and then I colored it dark brown over top when I got my passion twist, because my roots were blonde because I attempted to do a color that did not work. And I will also be using what little bit I have, as you can see, of my Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil to make sure that I get all the buildup out of my hair. This is Camden. She wants animal cookies during my video, so give me 2 seconds to get her. And now I'm gonna set you guys down and we are just gonna detangle and wash, rinse, and repeat, and then we will get... And I didn't show you the rinsing out the second part of the conditioner because I didn't think it was all that important. And my Cantu shea butter, and I am going to moisturize my hair because my hair doesn't really take well to the Cream of Nature conditioner. Ooh, I got real loud. Acoustics in here are nice. Okay. In another vlog, you guys will see this room. We are turning it into my daughter's room. It's time for her to get her own room. I'm going to moisturize it because the Cream of Nature, like, it dried out my hair. I've been natural all my life. I can't even tell you guys what my hair type is. I assume it's like a 3C 4A texture. Comment below if you're more proficient in the world of natural and let me know if I'm wrong, because I mean, you may be able to help me do something better that I didn't know I was doing wrong. But yeah, I'm gonna moisturize this, oil it, and blow it out, and I will add some clip-ins of me doing that, but I'm not gonna record all of that. And then I will probably come back to you guys with my parts And by that time I should have determined what I want to do, if I want to do a passion twist look or if we are doing box braids. Depends on what your girl got enough hair of, quite honestly. Or we might just hit the faux ups. I take that back, I don't feel like rapping. Braids or twist it is. Be right back. Yeah. Is my wash routine. My next video I will be doing box braids or passion twists on myself. Thanks for watching. Yeah, and so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I post new videos. And I'm trying to get more consistent, at least with posting one monthly. Hopefully I'll get enough content in this quarantine to where I can start posting videos at least twice a month. Until next time, hey girl, hey, and bye girl, bye.
Murder on the beat, Draco in the front, there's a murder on the seat.